You talked about something out loud. You never searched it. You never typed it. And an hour later, there's the ad. It feels impossible. But here's what nobody tells you. Your Android keeps a hidden log of every single app that used your microphone today. A receipt. And most people never even know it exists. Let me show you where it's hiding and how to silence what shouldn't be listening in 60 seconds. And don't worry, this one is step by step, so pause me anytime. I'm not going anywhere. Welcome back to the Software Navigator. I'm Tony. 1 log, 3 checks. By the end, you'll know exactly what's been listening, and it'll be shut out for good. Let's start with the receipt. Go to your settings. Take your time getting there. Once you're in, scroll down slowly and look for Security and Privacy. See it? Good. Tap on it. Now on this screen, find Privacy and tap on Permission used in the last 24 hours and then tap on Apps. Give it a second to load. This is your privacy dashboard, a timeline of every app that used your microphone, your camera, and your location today. Look at the microphone line. Now think carefully. Every app sitting here turned on your mic in the last 24 hours. A voice message, a phone call, a video? Fine, that makes sense. But if something you never spoke to is sitting in that microphone log, that is your red flag. That is the tell. Note every app that shouldn't be there. Now let's back all the way out to the main settings screen. Tap the back arrow. Tap it again. Keep going until you're home on the very first screen. Good. Now scroll down and tap Security and Privacy again. This time, look for More Privacy Settings and tap it. Now tap Permission Manager. Give it a second. Scroll and find Microphone and tap it. This is every app you've allowed to hear you. Go down this list slowly. Any app with no reason to listen, a game, a photo editor, a shopping app, tap it. Then set it to Don't Allow. Do that for everyone you don't trust. Take your time. One more. Let's silence the whole thing. Back out to the main settings screen again. Tap the back arrow until you're home. Tap Security and Privacy. Now, under Privacy, find Controls and Alerts and tap it. Now look for Microphone Access. This is the master kill switch. Flip it off, and no app on your entire phone can hear you. Not one. Turn it back on only when you need it. And here's a free tool you already have. That little dot in the top right corner. It turns orange the instant any app uses your mic. If it lights up when nothing should be listening, something just started. Here's the rule. If an app is in your microphone log, you never spoke to it, and it has no reason to hear you, that's your answer. Revoke it. Check the receipt, kill the permissions. Flip the master switch. Mic silenced. Done. Drop a comment. Did you catch anything sitting in your mic log that shouldn't be there? I want to know. And here's the thing. Your camera and mic are 2 ways in, but there's a third log that's far more dangerous. It doesn't just watch or listen, it knows exactly where you are, every hour of the day. I'll show you how to find it next. Click the video on your screen right now. I'll see you in that video.